Hello, this is Thorsten from STI Vibration Monitoring. Today I'd like to introduce you to our recently released high read model, which is a potential money saver. So bear with me and follow me to the lab. In a general setup with 4 to 20 milliamp transmitters, the sensor goes directly into the input of the control system. But with the new high read model, and this is the CMCP-HR4 high read model, you have more possibilities and features. So you have 24 terminals to the unit, and you can have up to 4 to 20 milliamp output transmitters connected to it. They will have to have the same range and the same detection type, and they are connected down here. The power supply goes in here, and then with the switch you can select the output, which is here, and select the output or the high read. The high read is actually the highest of the 4. And here we are in the laboratory, and you can see the complete HR4VT system, which consists of a power supply, the CMCP-730D display and relay model, and the HR4 high read model. The line power comes in, 24 volts going into the CMCP-730D and into the CMCP-HR4, and then connected to the input of the high read model are the transmitters, which you can see over here. There are actually just 2 connected right now, one in the vertical direction and the other one in the horizontal direction. This is channel number 1, this is channel number 2, and they are located on the bearing housing of the CMCP-601M, which is our mini rotor kit, which is a battery operated one. And I can just power this one up and create some vibration with the imbalance on the wheel. And you can see over here that the display, which was showing 4 milliamp before, is now displaying 5.7 on channel number 1. And we can then switch to channel number 2, which is the one in the vertical direction, a little higher, almost 8 milliamp, which would be around 5.5 millimeter per second. By the way, the display can be set to show directly the millimeter per second or the inches per second. Any engineering unit can be shown and displayed. We have chosen the 4 to 20 just for the setup here, for a better understanding. If I now go to the high read, it will actually read the same as was on channel number 2, because this is the highest, the most critical, which then can be always shown onto the display or even be connected to a control unit with the additional outputs over here. And so much possibility that you can even connect the high read output to the PLC as well, which is probably not needed, but the possibilities are endless. I think that concludes our little presentation. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.